Hi, welcome back to another lesson of our quadratic equation course. The lesson we're going to learn today is how to factorize the difference of two squares. Learning objective. The learning objective is factorize difference of two squares. We'll see later what do we mean with the difference of two squares. So let's start. Before we talk the difference of two squares, let us first understand what square number is. Square number is the product of a number multiply itself. Let's take some examples. If I take 2 and times it 2, I got 4. This 4 is a square number. Okay, so that is because when you times 2 itself gives you 4. So the product is 4 and 4 is a square number. I got here a table for you. I want you to complete the table, okay, of square numbers. You can stop the video now and complete the table. Fine, I think you have done. So if you have done, this is the list that you will generate. Okay? From 1 times 1 all the way down to 12 times 12. This is square numbers. And they will help us to factorize the difference of two squares, as you will see in the next slide. Examples. Here I got a double bracket, and we have learned how to expand. We have learned how to expand double bracket. So let's expand it together. Okay? So let's times this out. X times x, that gives you x squared. And x times 7 is 7x. Minus 7 times x, that's minus 7x. Minus 7 times minus 7, that's 49. Collected like terms. 7x take away 7x, nothing. So we got x squared minus 49. Let's stop here a bit. 49. Here we got 49. Is that a square number? Yes, this is a square number because 7 times 7 gives you 49. X squared, is that a square number? Yes, it's a square number. Whatever number you take here, it gives you, when you square it, you got a square number. So 1 is square, you got 1. 2 is square, you got 4. 3 is square, you got 9. So this is a square number. This is minus sign. This is 49. That's where the difference of two squares come from. So we got difference of two squares. If this expression is given and you need to factorize it, all what you need to do is to get these things back, these brackets back. So all what you have done to move from here to there, you square root x squared to get x and x, and you square root 49 to get 7 and 7, and then one time you minus it, one time you plus it. And that's how you factorize the difference of two squares. Let's apply this to here. Okay? X, square root of x squared is x. Square root of 9 is 3. One time you add it, and one time you take away it. The order doesn't matter. You can write down here minus and here plus or other way around. Here I got another square, difference of two squares. So that's x. This one is 20 because square root of 400 is 20. So that's how you do it. Okay, last example here we got 4 is a square. X squared of them is 2x. And the square root of 16 is 4. So one time, this is what you need to do. You minus it, and one time you add it. So we got 2x plus 4. This is how you factorize the difference of two squares. Easy, straightforward. All what you need to do, if this number is a square number and this number is a square number, okay, you square root it, you add it, and you take away it, and you move to the next equation. And that's the whole point. I got here 4 questions for you to try. You can stop the video and try them. Fine, I think you have tried. So let's start with this one. Expand it. x squared minus 5x, 5 times x, and 5 times minus 5. Minus 5x plus 5x, nothing. So this one, 36 is a square number. So it's x minus x, x plus x. Here, 169 is a square number. Square root of it is 13. So 1 times plus 13, and 1 times minus 13. 25 is a square number. X squared is a square number. The square root is 5x. 100 is a square number. It's a square root is 10. We add 1 time, and we take away 1 time. This is how you factorize quadratic equation and a difference of two squares. That's all. Okay? I hope you enjoyed it. There's a worksheet that goes with this lesson. Make sure that you complete the worksheet and make sure that you use the answer sheet to mark your work. Thank you for watching and see you next time.